Cooking Basics for Newbies Part 4. Save this video and you'll never have to figure out how to make perfect boiled eggs ever again. Get a pot that is deep enough to submerge the eggs in water, crank up the heat and get the water to a boil. Then carefully drop your eggs using a spider strainer. Yes, that's what it's called, you can guess why. Or use anything you have in the house. Start your timer based on your preference of boiled egg. Cook it for 6 to 12 minutes. While that's boiling, get a bowl filled with ice water. Once the timer is done, take the eggs out and immediately drop them in the bowl for muscle recovery and more importantly to stop the cooking process.
Ice bath, you'll feel much better.
Once it's cooled off for a few minutes, take it out, crack it all around, and the trick is to crack it on the bottom as well and start peeling it from there. I found that this is the easiest way to peel the shell off. This is how it looks after 6 minutes. Barely set whites and runny yolk, which is my second favorite. After 6.5 to 7 minutes, you get a soft and jammy yolk, which is my personal favorite. After 8 minutes is a medium yolk that's slightly soft but firm enough to hold its own. 10 minutes is almost completely cooked yolks, and 12 minutes is gonna be your traditional hard-boiled egg. Thank me later for